Hello, my name is Giulio. I will show you some of our new products from the Archer series from Sagitter Lighting. Now I will introduce you the new beams. The Archer B10 is a 1-hour lamp, is a discharge lamp from Osram with one colorway, one gobble wheel, double prism, linear and circular overlapping, and linear frost. The B5, that is an Osram series 190 watt lamp with the same characteristics of the small brother, with the color wheel, static gobble wheel, rotating prism, linear and circular overlapping, and linear frost. And same thing for the B10, that is the Osram series HRA 280 watts lamp with the color wheel, dichroic filters, static gobble wheel, rotating prism, linear and circular overlapping, and linear frost. And our website is www.sagitter.com.